What's up, guys? Welcome back to another series. Or I called this series it's gonna be the extreme, and you've never seen this series on YouTube. And it's all about creating a real production level project, and which is all about audio streaming platform. So it's kind of Spotify or mix of YouTube layout. Okay, so this is for next few minutes I'm gonna show you all the features and I made, and you can expect whatever features you can make, right? And how I create all the layout, so you should have motivate like why you should watch these videos. Okay, so this is a real world project. Okay, so every features I create, and I use all the in a motion, right? Or and motion rows, like, so you can see all the things. So this is my home page. So this is a home page and it's called makeable. Okay, and so if you click on it in menu bar, so you can see the experience like in a YouTube. So the main layout can adjust with the sidebar. So if you click on it, so you can see each content can adjust. Okay, so this is the explore page. You can see on tab, right? So, and on this platform there are two type of things. One is audio and second is podcast, right? And you can navigate all the discover things like emotion, topic, category, series, tags. So let's say, so this is the audio. Okay, so first I click any audio. So let's say I like this audio. So if I click on it, so you can listen the song.
Emotional maturity is doing hard things 1,000
so you
times, not once. With motivation,
you can reduce the volume.
Doesn't care how you feel. Rain, pain, setbacks, chaos. You still do what needs to be done. Discipline is the highest form of self-love. It's saying no to what you want now for what you'll need later.
Let's see. Let's say I comment something. You can comment, right? So there is a message, comment post successfully, right? So now you can see, right? So yeah, and yeah, so you can save on it. Say if you click, so the video will be saved, right? And yeah, you can see, and here is the video. Like, save. So you save and you like, so you can see here, right? So there is a feature. So this called your library. So whatever you save or like, here you can see. And this is a profile page. So this is the explore page, and you can navigate by clicking any video. All right, so let's say I want to get only audios. So if you click on that particular thing, so on this page you can get all the audios. All right, each card, you click on it, so you can navigate this listening song page, right? And this page also mobile responsive. So yeah, you can see. I think I should click on it because I don't know why not working that. I don't know if you are seeing or not, but that's 200. Oh my god, that's 100. So yeah, this is the phone version layout. 50%. Yes. Yeah. The phone version layout. 50%. So you can see this is the phone version layout, right? So yeah, it's also flexible. So this is the, and yeah, let's say if you want to navigate, let's say I want to find based on emotion. So if you click on this, so you can see all the tag. So further, if you click on it, let's say I like, now my mood is angry. So if you click on it, so now you can see the videos, right? And here also you can see if there are 10 videos, more than 10 videos, so you can see the the pagination, right? So let's say based on this tag angry, I have one videos or sorry, one audios. So yeah, and even though you can filter out based on, like, let's say new, old, title, A to Z, Z to A, and most viewed, least viewed, whatever it is. Okay, and then you also click on it, you can back to the previous page, right? So yeah, and this is the emotion, and same things, like, if let's say if you look for series based, so you can see, and here it is. As I told you, there are 10 videos. If more than 10 videos, so you can see pagination. Let's say another 8 videos. Oh my god, right? So yeah, man, it's very, production level, as I told you, right? So yeah, so you can navigate, audios, podcasts, and based on all the like tags, right? And yeah, and if you want to search, let's say I want to search, I should copy any title. Let's say I want to search this one. So let me click copy, and let's search. If it is available, you can see. You can see this is a search page. So yeah, based on it, you can get these three audios and one podcast, right? So yeah, you can see. And yeah, this is the home, this is the discover page or explore page, whatever you call it. And this is the library, as I told you. If you click or save, so you can see here all the things. This is your profile, okay, and from here you can upload. So yeah, this is the upload page, so you can upload like your series, all the things. And don't worry guys, I explained to you a lot. Every code, every UI have each other linked, because this project is going to be a very big project and it takes time. But don't worry, I explained to you everything, right? And yeah, so well, so this is the upload content page. So if you click, and you can also edit your profile. Okay, so now oh my god, man, I think okay. So this is the dashboard. So yeah, you can see. So from here you can also you can edit, you can delete whatever it is. So if you click on it, so you can navigate edit page, right? How cool it is, right? So you can you can modify based on your requirement. Don't worry, I will provide all the code. So yeah, so you can grab it. So and this is the home page. It's yeah, this is the home page, similar to explore page, right? And yeah, so actually I use I use same structure. So yeah, and I think you can understand this project is very big project. Okay, a lot of code is out there. So this is the UI part, okay, and yeah, this is the profile, and this is upload content, dashboard, delete account. If you click on it, so your account will be deleted, and you can log out, you can edit. And this is the library, as I told you, and this is the explore page, and this is the home page. You can add a lot of things. You can create more features and a good UI. And my UI is in a like it's a black, because I like black. I don't like white, but some page is white. Maybe I forget to change that things, but don't worry, you can change. Okay, and this is the UI. So if you think this project is gonna help you, right? So yeah, and okay, I forgot to show you. Okay, let me login page, because you can see how you can create your things, right? So you can sign up. So this is the sign up page. Let's say I want to create a new account, Elon2. This is the full name, Elon2. This is the user ID, and elon2@gmail.com. And I want, okay, and this is the gender, male, and you can choose the profile. And all right, what the, let me see, man. Okay, let's say I pick this picture or whatever it is. Don't care, man. Yeah. Okay, so you can see, and subscribe to premium plan, but don't worry, I'm not click on it. But if you click on it, so you can see the roast notification account created, right? So you can log in, you on to, okay, heritage. So you can see the notification, right? Login is successful. So I use you know, I use roast, or sorry, toast, and motion, right? So yeah, I will share it. Right, so this is the UI. So yeah, just if you like this, like the preview of this project or introduction of this project, so make sure to finish the this series. Like, yeah, maybe this series will be longer because a lot of code is there. You can imagine how big this project is, right? So 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 here I show you my client code base. Okay, my client code base, and I want to say this project based on MERN Stack, like MongoDB, React.js, Node.js, and Express.js, right? So yeah, and this is my client code, and this is the server side. Sorry, this is the client side, and it's called in a frontend. So here I can structure my frontend, okay, and I use Redux Toolkit to manage state. So it's pretty cool. If you working on big project, we should use any an state management library. So here I use Redux Toolkit, right? So you can see. So let me zoom in. So you can see this is the main file client. Then I have, like, inside source folder, I have different type of folder. First is app. So it's not a main. Heritage app is a main. Okay, so from this file, the project is run. So this is a and yeah, and this is the main file. And yeah, this is the app, and also I create another app. Here I I create a reusable code a lot, so I create a very small, right? So it's feel like it's so readable, it's so so as a, because you want to create your code very small, like every code you can structure. So if your project scales, so it should be managed easily. So that's why I separate it. So inside app folder there are three folders. One is app route. So all the route I manage here, right? All the route, and you can see, and yeah, so this is the app route. So here um, I import, and here I manage what layout and min layout, right? So all the route on this app I manage. And second file is what layout. So I create separately, because if you want to show, because you can see here, like, without login you can see my this uh, UI. Okay, if you don't log in, so you can navigate fast this home page, and you don't need to log in it, but you can't do anything. So you can see, but you can't do anything. So let's say if you go to login, or maybe what, or sorry, maybe sign up page, so you don't need to be authenticate user. So that's why I create another what layout, because if I want to show this two route, so I don't think so I should first once, hey, are you authenticated or not, right? So that's why, so I can manage separately. And this is the main layout, which means if I want to create some authentication, so without you authenticate, without login, you can access all the things. So here I can manage, and as I told you, you can see this adjustment based on the layout, right? So that's why I also manage separately, so it is really easy to manage. And so yeah, so it's a main layout, main layout in the sense, this page, all of this page. So I call it some main layout, because you can see a lot of page, right? So this is the home page, this is the explore page, this is the library, and yeah. So yeah, it's pretty cool, right? Yeah. So this is the front end, code inside app. You can see the other file is component. So I manage all the code as a component. That means I can reuse multiple times. So that's called component, right? And you can see here, you can see same UI structure, same, like, this is the home page. If you follow same structure, right? If you follow explore page, you can see, right? You can see same structure. And so that's why I create component, like, card grid explore, right? So actually lot of UI I use same, like if you click on it, so you can see same page, and if you click on it, you can see same UI. Okay, so why should I create different file? So that's why I create same file. Don't worry, I explain to you everything, like code by code, line by line, file by file, but this is the things I want to show you what you can get, because this project is gonna be very long, right? So you can see, guys, a lot of pages there. So I'm just only talking about front end. Don't worry, I also show you the backend before starting the code. So this is the component folder. Inside you can see another folder called card grid. So inside card grid you also can see a lot of things, a lot of file, and then also I have another folder called explore. Inside explore we have two file, okay, and then inside component we have also like a header, navigator, and subscribe button. Don't worry, I'm not gonna use subscribe button, but this code is it's mine code, right? And yeah, and also I have called features. So inside features I create all the code, and you can see, but and yeah, inside features folder we have audio, explore, home, profile page. All right, which means these things, right? Oh my god. And also I have page. So yes, this is the main thing. So like I just I import, I can show you. Let's say home. Oh my god, let's say home. So you can't see the code, you can only see the integration, right? The like I just integrate. right? But the code is inside features folder, right? And here just I integrate all the file, so it is very manageable, right? So you can navigate, and yeah. So this is page, and this is store. So inside store I manage Redux toolkit. So you can see the API. So let's say if I go to user API, so you can see I manage all the API endpoint. Yeah, and there is a slice. So yeah, so you can see slice. So guys, this is the production level, code structure, right? Because you have to manage a lot of things, because you assume your project gonna be scale. That's why you separate all the things. So you can see I separate each code, each features, right? Even though if you want to, merge slice and API into one file, you can, question it, but you can see it's very readable. It's very, like, you can read very well, and yeah, it makes sense, right? And yeah, and inside this store file I just manage all the store, right? So this is a front end. Let's go to a backend, because this video is, I just show you as a beginner. I assume you are a beginner and you want to learn all the things. So my learning approach is like, not like providing code. You can get it, don't worry, I provide you, but the question is how we can align backend and front end. So my approach is make it happen, not just providing code, because nowadays you can access through ChatGPT all the AI tools. So getting code, it's not a problem. The problem is the fundamental things, how you can approach your idea into UI, into code, right? So that is the video you are looking for, and this video is, yeah. So this is the front end. Let me show you. Let me show you the back end, and there you go. Sorry, it's the back end. Okay, all right, man. This is the back end. You can see this is the back end, and oh my god, man. Okay, so I create config file. Okay, inside config I integrate like all my iterative, like Cloudinary. So Cloudinary is a like a third party where it's a cloud based, where I can store images, or maybe audio file, or maybe video file. But so I'm using Cloudinary because it's provide free of cost. So that's why you can use AWS, like whatever it is, Firebase, Azure, or maybe DigitalOcean. Just go for it, man. Yes, I'm using Cloudinary free of cost, and then MongoDB, and then multi storage. So I'm using multi storage to handle uploading, like audio or video. So it's very easy. You can use Express file, like upload file, but multi is very easy to multi is better than, I think, Express file. Okay, so yeah, inside config you can see 3 file inside controller. So this is the main logic, this is the main business code. People call business code or business logic, right? So I have 3 folder: audio, search, user. So inside audio I have audio controller. So inside audio controller I have, oh my god, man, wow, lot of code, man, lot of code. You can see, man, like you can see how big code it is, right? So this is the inside audio, you can see, and then search, and then user. This is the controller, and then helper. So I create helper function. So because I'm gonna use these two code, these two helper function in different code. That's why. So I can use it. Yeah, it should be reusable. That's why. And then middlewares, and yeah, So inside middleware, we have to file, is admin or is login, and then models like where I create the user schema or the project schema. So what you want to extract, and yeah, so in this file I create all the schema. For if I show you the demonstration, for example, I create user schema this way. So don't worry, I'll explain to you, but I'm just showing you. And yeah, and this is the a public temp file. I use Malta, so here you can see the temporary file, but now you can't see it. And then route, so all the route you can see, and this is the .env file. I'm not gonna show it because yeah, and this is the app, and this is my main point, index.js. This is the entry point, and I also separate app.js and index.js, but here I also create all the things, but here just I integrate in this file, right? So guys, this is just introduction about my project UI and my file structure. So I'm gonna start all the things. Make sure you stick to this series and you just watch or you finish